We invite you to watch the full episodes from the clips in the following intro. We're traveling with wonderful friends to another one of our friends' parks called Pagosa Pines in Colorado, where we live among the animals from large to small. With happiness and also where the unexpected happens, where friends give a helping hand, goodwill, and their love. We embrace God's beautiful creations, from His majestic mountains to His mysterious depths. Whether alone in His nature or on the path of friendship, we love and appreciate our world and you, our community. Now watch as we try to make it back home to Texas. Enjoy. It's our last day in Pagosa. We've been here a month, and I'm going to do what I love to do, which is ride my bike. Everybody else bailed on me. They're busy. They're doing stuff. But I'm going to ride, and I'm going to ride, as far as I know, the full length of the creek, the river, here at the downtown area. So, let's go. Well, going across the highway, across 160 over on the side where the malt shop is, that only added like a mile and a half, but it was something different. I hadn't done it before. This part I have. So let's keep going. What a beautiful day for a ride. After it's been raining a couple of days, now it's blue skies and in the 60s. Lots of people are out. Nice. And the trees are starting to change. This is a beehive that they've made. Oh, there's yellow jackets up in there. We're done. And doing that little bit of extra, I went 5.4 miles. Beautiful day. Friends, you just missed out. So now, gonna go home and we're gonna get in what Mark calls pre-flight mode. He's been in it pretty much all day. And we're gonna get ready to roll in the morning. Hear that noise? It's time to go. There's Lance. He works here and he's a fantastic guy. Gray is way over there looking at his Prevost. So many people pronounce Prevost incorrectly, and honestly we did too, because it looks like it's pronounced Prevost, but it's Prevost. It's French. Prevost. Prevost. Mark's got our pickup warming up for me because I'm going to be driving the pickup, if you recall, and I don't know the technical stuff, but Mark has, I think he says it's like a electronic setting that puts the truck into neutral for towing. And so anyway, it's not working. He didn't want to get it fixed up here because we're hearing that 3 people so far had some things wrong with their pickup, and it ended up being in the shop for 3 weeks and 2 of them for a couple of months. So we didn't want to get stuck up here, even though it's beautiful. So let's go. This is the little town of Chama. We know a couple of people who come here, and I think they come here to fish and hunt because really there's nothing else. There is a train that leaves from here, and it's a day trip. I'll let you know where it goes in the description below. But as you can see, there's really not that much here. It is a pretty area, but just kind of not for us. But if you want to hunt or fish, this is probably the place to be. People, this is a first. I got a flat. And thank goodness our friends, might as well record this, Gray, and he's stopping to help fix the flat. Mark was up ahead, so he's trying to find a place to turn around.
I hope he doesn't turn around, because I mean, I'll have it off before.
Well, I know he feels responsible though.
I know, but we told him don't turn around.
Oh, that's him. Here we are on the side of the road. Oh, I think I'm covering up the microphone. What we had to do, we had to take the bikes off. So there's the bikes. And oh yeah, oh be careful. And that is a flat tire.
You had some coffee. You were not going to get caught.
Without coffee.
Coffee. Gail, you may have a problem. If anyone knows of a 10-step program for coffee.
One bag is decaf and the other one is regular. So you got to be prepared.
Good Lord, what did you take down there? If these are the bags you're bringing home after a month.
And that's what's left. Yeah, exactly.
Oh
well, I had to buy a lot from Amazon just in case. This is where we are. I don't know what that white is. The temperature's nice. Sweet. So,
Was that over in there? Or?
what is...
That's probably it, but I don't know. But the tire's it's ruined. It's a new tire.
Really?
I thought it'd be something huge.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's flat. Okay.
There, that's a plug. That's a plug.
Oh, that's a plug. Okay.
Here, just let it down.
Okay. I just wanted to see if we could find it.
Okay, now I'm going to get in the truck.
Oh, well.
Now he's got to get that one down. A really, really nice gentleman gave Mark a ride because he was down the road away, so he was walking. So he gave Mark a ride, so now Mark's here. Somewhere.
He's under the...
Oh, maybe he has to go over. Okay, you can...
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Stop it right there.
Okay.
We're good.
Okay.
It won't go anywhere.
But we were just behind her, so it was
Yeah.
like,
You
we
saw
got
her
it.
pulling off?
We didn't see her pulling off, but she called me to say, hey, I've had a flat. And then Gray was still going. I said, that's Gail, stop.
Yeah, I was waving my hand out the window and with the flashers on.
Grab a bite to eat. Okay. Okay.
Thank you. And that's the advantage of traveling together. Hopefully we won't have any more flats or problems. And we're all hungry now, so we're going to stop around Clines Corner and eat some lunch. Well-deserved lunch. Have you ever been in Clines Corner store? This is it. Derek, there's your knife. Where is Texas? It's somewhere out there. We're getting close to the border, but I don't see it. I know it's there. Come on, Texas. Where are you? Leaving New Mexico and entering Texas, the Lone Star State. Gotta love it or hate it, but we love it. Exit 0. Home sweet home for the night. Good morning. It is the next day and we left Amarillo, Texas around 6:30. We've been driving about 30 minutes. It's a beautiful morning and I wanted to share it with you. Jill and Gray are not with us because they're going to go see Jill's sister for a couple of weeks. So it's just me and Mark. Of course, he's up ahead of me. And we are so lucky that there's a cloud bank because we're headed east. And there's a big, beautiful rain shower cloud that's over there in the east, covering up that bright sunshine. Have a great day. Again, just wanted to share this beautiful morning with you. Right over there, I think, yep, that's it. They are building a new RV park, so maybe that will be finished next year. We're in Wichita Falls off I-44 and it's on the westbound side. It looks like it's going to be a big one. We'll see. Right up here, the truck's going to be in the way. Never mind. Can I still see it? Maybe. See the waterfall right there? That's not natural. It's man-made. It's a man-made waterfall. They can turn it off and on. And above the waterfall, there's a cemetery. So they circulate the water for the waterfall. And they did that because of the name of the town, Wichita Falls. Now, the history is that Wichita Falls did have falls when the town was being settled. But the funny part is the falls were only like a foot high along a little creek. So that's all it is. And then anyway, the city built that waterfall years ago, decades ago. But there you have it. History of Wichita Falls. Whether you want it or not. Wow, which one is it? Well, I did resurface. We have made it to the place where we store the bus, and as you recall, we had a flat on the way home. So now what we have to do is get the flat tire out of the way and get the extension to the power cable. And it's 100 degrees. Mark is getting some plyboard that we park on. So here we are. Here's our new asphalt. If you remember from one of our shorts, I believe, I showed you how bad it was. And now we've got to unlock and get ready to park her for a little bit. In our spots. Now, besides getting the extension cord out of the back of the truck after moving the spare tire, we also have to move the two bikes. Take them off to get to the back of the truck.